Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, collective. So, this is your love reading. Okay. This is timeless. Okay, gawin kong timeless. Itong ating love read. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And syempre, if you're interested, okay, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, sa ating mga sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter, sa ating bagong item for cleansing, just message me. Okay. Collectives. Ang tanong, who is the person on your mind? Okay. The person on collective's mind, anong meron dito? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, the Nine of Cups. You're their wish fulfillment, or pwedeng siya yung wish fulfillment mo. May ganyan. Okay, what's with the Nine of Cups? Oh, yeah, the Two of Cups. Okay. Ito yung energy. Ito yung parang sabihin natin gusto mong makakonect itong taong to, pero there's this energy na parang ang hirap. Okay, parang ang hirap. Some of you parang, yeah, see, the Three of Wands and the Eight of Swords, may chance na sabihin nating hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng, sabihin natin, physical connection, okay, or as simple as communication. May chance na hindi okay, or may chance na hindi kayo nag-uusap. Okay? Some of you, may energy itong taong to na pwedeng gusto mo lang siya. Okay? You feel a strong connection with them. Strong connection, yeah, water sign, nandito. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Ano bang meron pagdating sa sitwasyon nyo? Okay. Anong meron pagdating sa connection nyo? The Eight of Pentacles. Some of you, magkasama kayo sa workplace. Okay? The Eight of Pentacles and again the Three of Wands. Parang yung energy dito, collectives. Nagsasama kayo ng taong ito, okay? Parang parang sabihin nating masaya ka kapag nakikita mo siya, masaya siya kapag nakikita ka niya, pero nandito yung energy ng waiting, the Three of Wands, expectations, like that. Okay? Kung nag-uusap man kayo nito, ang nakikita ko dito parang yung energy is like kailangan may magkaroon ng improvement. Okay? Meron ditong umaasa na magkaroon ng progress sa kung anong meron kayo. Okay? Ang nakukuha ko dito is you are not in a relationship pa. Okay? Pero the feelings is mutual. Collectives, the feeling is mutual. You like this person likes you. Okay? So, ano ba ang sabihin nating issue dito? Okay? Bakit hindi magkaroon ng progress? Bakit parang waiting lang kayo sa isa't isa? Anong meron? Yeah, the Star in reversed. May chance na hindi ganoon ka-hopeful. Okay? Yung isa sa inyo, I guess. Okay, the Star in reversed. Why? The Queen of Cups. Sana walang person involved or walang kakonek yung iba. Sana wala kang kakonek or sana wala siyang kakonek. Okay? Kaya ang feeling na lang sa sitwasyon is parang walang mangyayari dito kasi someone is nasa isang connection, parang ganyan. Okay? The Queen of Cups, yeah, there's person involved. Yeah. The Hermit. Okay. Some of you, ang isang issue dito is pwedeng hindi na ipapakita or na i-express yung totoong feelings or emotion. Okay? Yes, kung alam nyong single ka, single siya. Okay? So, ayun din, isang way para makita mo kung bakit hindi magkaroon ng progress is pwedeng someone is not totally, sabihin nating transparent or vulnerable. Someone is hiding their true feelings and emotions. Walang na-express. Ang parang kailangang gawan ng aksyon. Okay? Yeah. So, hindi ko na kukunin kung ano ba this person wants victory, wants success. Okay? Hindi ko na kukunin yung emosyon ng tao to kasi yes, the feeling is mutual. The feeling is mutual. Anong kailangan gawin? Or next action? What is their next action pagdating dito sa inyong connection na nangyayari, ha? Tingnan natin. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. So, wala nga akong nakikita sa kanya na lalayo. Okay? Hindi ko nakikitang lalayuan ka ng taong to. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. The Tower. Ayaw nito. Ayaw nito na magkakaroon kayo ng distansya. Okay? Ayaw nito na magkakaroon kayo ng in general. All in all, ayaw nito na malalayo siya sa'yo. Okay, ayaw niya nun. So, pipiliin ng taong to na malapit siya or nandyan siya palagi for you. Because yes, they like you. They're feeling strong connection. The Two of Cups. Yeah. This is emotion. Okay? Napaka-specific ng magkasama kayo nito sa trabaho talaga. Yeah. Alam niyo yung MU. Hindi malabong nababalitang kayo kahit walang kayo. Hindi malabo. Okay. Wala kasi nag-express eh. Like, alam nyo na, obvious na gusto nyo yung isa't isa pero no one is stepping up. No one is sabihin nating nagiging open. I don't know why. Some of you may chance na itong taong ito is takot din na sa kung anong mga sasabihin, no? Para siya kasing nangangapa. Nagkakapaan kayo. Yun na lang. Okay. Anong advice for the collectives? Advice, please, for the collective sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay. Oops. The Empress. Express. Empress, Emperor. Express. Okay. Why the Empress? Okay. What's the Lovers? Express. This is stepping up. Okay? This is sabihin nating the world. This is completion. This is nice. Napakasimple nung reading dito. Sa totoo lang. Okay? Strong connection. Two of Cups. Lovers. Hello? Ang kulang na lang dito is, talagang yung kayo. Okay? Pero yes, emotionally connected kayong dalawa. Pero I don't know, physically, hindi ko nakikita. Maging open, I guess. Okay? Maging open. See, no one is offering, okay, accepting kung anong kailangan dito sa sitwasyon. Ayun, nakabaliktad pa. Masyado na tong obvious. Kulang na lang yung may mag-e-express ng emosyon. Nakabaliktad si Ace of Cups. Yun ang kulang dito. Dapat naka-upright na siya. This is a strong connection. Yan. Kung hindi kayo mag-express, okay, alam nyo naman yan, no? O ramdam nyo naman sa isa't isa yan. Kung hindi kayo mag-express, masasayang to. May potential itong energy na to. May potential na maging kayo. Okay? May potential. See? The Six of Wands. Ito yung kanina. Ito ulit. Kinat ko lang. Kita nyo naman. Kinat ko lang dito. That is victory. Success. Okay? Outcome is something good. Pero, I don't know kung sino mag-step up dito. Okay? I don't know who. Yeah. Okay, so there. Yun ang ating reading for the collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.